Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to be reviewing how to use System Surveyor alongside our manufacturer partner, PDK. Now, System Surveyor is an easy to use mobile system design platform that's cloud-based. So first, you can use it out in the field on an Apple or Android tablet to get the data you need. Then once you get back on Wi-Fi, sync it to the cloud so everybody can work out of a single collaborative platform. Now, to get started, all you're doing is uploading a PDF, JPEG, or PNG, or you can use our Google Maps integration. And last, you could use our Quick Start option, which has some light drawing tools to allow you to get a floor plan in place. Now, once you've got that floor plan, all you're doing is picking from the different system types on the far left. You can see today we're going to focus on access control, but we give you a variety of systems so that you can put together a complete scope. All you need to do is select the system type you need, pick that icon. So in today's example, we'll look at the components of a door. And if you're going to put a card reader in there, maybe a Rex, and then an access controller too, all you're doing is dragging and dropping those into the door to build out that door package. Now, the nice thing about PDK and our partnership here is they've done a ton of this work for you. In the platform, you can go ahead and take a photo if you want to of some of the different door components. So if we want to hone in on this locking mechanism, we're going to use an office door in today's example. You can do that. Then you can annotate that picture with icons, shapes, or text. Anything that's going to give you, your install team, or the customer context behind what goes where. And then if you want to track some other information, you can do that here too. You can talk about door materials. You can talk about the frame construction. There's a fair amount of different attributes there for you to use. But when it comes to the functionality of the devices, this is where PDK has already done all that work. You can pick from a drop-down menu of all their devices. So I can select the keypad mullion prox reader here. The data sheets are going to populate. Most importantly, that model number is going to populate. So when we pull our bill of materials here in a moment, it's going to automatically be ready for you and be accurate. And then if you want to add any accessories, any freeform notes down there in the bottom, you can do just that. You can see here that the Rex, the access controller, all that really functions the exact same way. So for this controller, if I select red 4, same thing. The SKU populates, the functionality is all filled out. Again, PDK has gotten that in a place where they've made your job a lot easier. So let's say you've done the site walk, you've tracked all the information that you need, you're good to go. All you need to do is save this on the tablet, and then I'll move back to the desktop so we can look at a few different ways we allow for you to collaborate and continue that sales process. First of which is going to be guest user access. So if you want to come in here, you can add maybe a subcontractor who's helping you out doing a little bit of work. Maybe it's a PDK rep or distributor rep who you're working alongside. If you invite them and give them either edit or read-only permissions, they can come in with their own login and you can all be working out of a single source of truth in real time. And we talked about the bill of materials a fair amount too. That's the most commonly used report here. And I've pulled an example, as you can see, that make and model number are done for you. Any accessories you add pull through too, and that quantity is accurate. So you're getting a bid back much, much quicker than before, eliminating that traditional emailing back and forth, confirming part numbers, counts. You've got everything you need in one document. The other really commonly used report is our floor plan with legend report. This is going to include really the work that you just went out on site and did. It's a great way to convey the scope with a small key on the right-hand side. It's a great deliverable to be able to send out to a customer as a follow-up after you've gone out on site. Now, to get started with System Surveyor and PDK, all you need to do is go to the PDK System Surveyor landing page here. If you enter your information and sign up for a free starter account, there's no expiration date on that plan. It's a great way to test out the platform and make sure it's a fit. And then to download PDK's catalog files, all you need to do is click here. And then lastly, watch that video tutorial that'll really quickly walk you through how to import their products into your device. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to sales@systemsurveyor.com, and we're happy to help. Happy surveying.